how to earn high ticket commissions with affiliate marketing. Hey guys and girls, today you are gonna learn how to sell high ticket product and earn big commissions in this video, right? So when I say high ticket product, it is high ticket product. It's not about either $20 or $47 or $197. It's about 1,000, 2,000, 5,000 and even $10,000 per sale, right? So yes, there are products available with this high price and prospects are ready to buy it. So your task is just connect both this high ticket product and these leads. That's it. So let's go. My name Nagendran Punnan. You can call me Nahu. I own a digital product company. My company develops and markets digital products such as tools, courses, ebooks, etc. Well, if you are watching this video on YouTube and if you are not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please press the red subscribe button down below this video and make sure you have switched on the notification bell button, so that every time I go live or I uploaded a video, you will get a notification, right? So okay, so there are three ways that you can use to sell high ticket products. So what are all the three ways? Well, that first way is sell low ticket upfront and convert it to the high ticket, right? So this is a typical marketing strategy to sell high ticket product. So just sell low ticket product to your leads. The price can be that $7 or 17 or 27 or whatever it may be. So once they bought this, do multiple upsells of your other products, other related products of that low ticket product. Then they the price may be like that $47, $97 or $197, $297 and so on. So in this way you can pocket big commissions if a customer bought all of the upsells from you, right? So at least you can earn commission for your low ticket products, right? So this is the way one. And okay, so that way two is the my favorite way also. This is actually that a webinar, right? Webinar are extremely advanced method, so you need to spend either an hour or two to talk about the problem and then the solution, finally about the offer on this, right? So you can run webinars in two-way, either live or replay. It needs a webinar software and 1 or 2 hours of well-pitched video. So if you have the ability to do this on your own, well, you can do. I can recommend you some pretty easy tools that have done for you webinars along with the webinar softwares, right? So such as that 1K Daily Systems by Klein Koski and VanQ's Continuum by who's that called, that person called that Jono Armstrong, and recently that Profit Host, not a Profit Host, it's a Profit Meet from Mike McKay. So check out my review video about these products. I have given the link down below this video, so you can check out and learn more about this product. Alright, so okay, so let's now come to my third way of selling that high ticket product, right? So the number three is the old school method. By giving personal touch to your leads, you can sell it. So when I say that personal touch, so you can pull them from your capture pages to or from your Facebook Messenger, or you can talk to them by your private email or direct email. And then the best one is to get on a Skype call or a Zoom call with them and actually discuss with them what are the options they have, and maybe sell them with your own product via this. So this way is a really effective actually to add the personal touch with your leads, so you will get more conversions on this method, right? So you can sell the $1,000 products or $2,000 product because these people are actually already really hot leads, because they already gonna call you and willing to talk to you, and in the buying mode they are already, right? So it's need a little bit of push. Okay, so that's it. So if you like this video, you just click the like button down below and make sure you have hit the subscribe button. So also if you have any query on this, just use the comment box down below this video. I will see you sometimes later in internet with any other marketing videos. So until then, bye bye.